Hey everyone, if you want to protect your Discord server using a verification system in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Discord verification system. First, create a channel called Verify or Rules. This is where new members will start the verification process when they join. Next, lock down your server access. I mean, restrict all channels so users must verify before they can see anything else. Now add a verification bot like MEE6, Wick, or similar tools. These bots help automate the entire verification process. Open the bot dashboard and choose a verification method. I mean, it can be CAPTCHA, reaction, or button-based verification. Set up auto role assignment for verified users. Once users complete verification, they will get access to the full server. Enable anti-raid and anti-spam protection. I mean, this helps block bots, fake accounts, and suspicious activity. Finally, test your system by joining as a new user. Make sure everything works smoothly and access is granted properly after verification. So yeah, that's how you create a Discord verification system in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your server will stay safe and fully protected. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone,